In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the date format in Google Sheets. Modifying date formats in Google Sheets allows you to tailor your datasets to your specific needs, ensuring consistency and enhancing readability. Let's dive into the process step by step, making it simple and straightforward. To begin, you'll want to open your Google Sheets where you have your data laid out. Once you have your spreadsheet on your screen, the first thing you need to do is select the cells that contain the dates you wish to reformat. You can do this by clicking and dragging your cursor across the desired cells, ensuring each one is highlighted. This is important because any changes you make will apply only to the selected cells. Once you have your dates highlighted, direct your attention to the top of your screen. Here, you'll find the menu bar. You're going to click on the Format option located there. This drop-down menu is where you'll find various formatting options, and it's your gateway to altering the appearance of your date data. After clicking on Format, a list will appear, and you want to hover over Number. This part of the menu opens a further range of options, specifically related to number formatting. From this list, Google Sheets offers predefined date format presets, which you can choose from. These presets are handy if you want quick and commonly used formats without any fuss. However, if none of these options fit your requirements, or if you're feeling a bit adventurous, there's an additional option to explore. Just below the standard presets, you will find an option labeled Custom Date and Time. Clicking on this will open a new window, offering you even more customized date and time templates. Inside this Custom Date and Time window, you'll be presented with a variety of templates. This is where you can also construct your unique format based on your specific preferences. Google Sheets provides a range of formatting components you can combine, like day, month, year, and time, in any order you like. This is particularly useful when you are working with international data or personal preferences, as different regions often require different date formats. Once you've decided on either a predefined or custom format, it's time to apply it to your selected cells. To do this, simply click on the Apply button at the bottom of the formatting window. As soon as you click Apply, you'll notice the dates in your selected cells immediately change to reflect the new format you've chosen. It's as simple as that, and you're done. By customizing date formats in Google Sheets, you give yourself full control over how data is presented, which can be crucial for clarity in professional documents or personal records. And there you have it. A quick and easy way to make your date data not only more aesthetically pleasing, but also more coherent and user-friendly.